Hello, welcome to Student Success 101 series. Today's topic is about a study skill focused on creating flashcards. Flashcards, good memorization, study essential. However, a lot of students say, there's apps for this, but create your own. Well, you know why? The act of creation will help you learn the information. Study after study after study have shown that you physically make these flashcards, you physically record on them, physically do these things, you're more likely to remember the knowledge. Right? Creating them while you're reading can be really helpful too. You see something in bold, right? You read the material, create your flashcard at that point because you will connect that concept with the reading that you need to do as well. So, something to consider. Right. So when you do decide to create flashcards, make sure you use both sides, right? So one concept per card. Don't list a whole bunch of things on the card, right? You just want one concept per card, right? You want to use a mix of words and pictures, right? And I recommend using a definition, an example, and some type of visual, right? Now, process the information. Don't just copy it out of your book. Process it, and that's going to help you learn the material too. You put in your own words, put in your own understanding, develop your own example, right? So, so on the front, you would write the term or concept you're trying to visualize. I used to use the blank side because I like to write it big so I can visualize, do that, right? And then on the back, definition, example, sentence, or something to kind of give it some context and some type of visual. A friend of mine would always call it Picasso, do a little drawing, something that can help too. Okay? All right, so here's an example. This is from a marketing textbook, right? Environmental scanning. I would stick that nice and big on the blank side, right? And then on the other side, I would have the definition. Again, I process that definition, right? I have an example that I developed into a sentence for me so I can understand the context. And I have a visual that kind of gets me to think about environmental scanning. Okay, what does that mean, right? So this little visual picture down here in the corner. Okay, so remember, creating your flashcards, your own flashcards, is just as important, if not more than important, than studying them. Okay, so look for more videos on study skills in this series and reach out to your supports. All right, take care. Remember, at LCCC, we do care about your success here.